Microscopic and macroscopic approach of thermodynamics. Broadly speaking, we see thermodynamics in two different views or approaches. We have microscopic. From the name itself, it indicates that we go in the micro level, and macroscopic, that means we are on the general level. So microscopic approach, the behavior of the individual molecule is taken into consideration. So here we study each and every molecule. The behavior of each molecule is taken into consideration. Whereas in macroscopic approach, the average behavior of all the molecules is taken into consideration. Here we don't go for individual molecules. Macroscopic approach is also called as your statistical thermodynamics, because here we have lots of data. And we deal with lots of statistics, so that is why it is called statistical thermodynamics. And macroscopic approach of thermodynamics is also called your classical thermodynamics. So in this classical thermodynamics, we apply macroscopic approach, which we generally are studying currently in this particular course. Now statistical thermodynamics, here we apply microscopic approach. We go into the molecular deeper level and we do the analysis of each and every molecule, which we are not studying in this particular course. Where to apply this microscopic approach? Microscopic approach is applied whenever the density is low. Of course, whenever the density is low, density is mass per unit volume. So lower density means lower mass. Lower mass means lower matter. Lower matter means less number of molecules. So if you have less number of molecules, it's quite easier for you to apply this approach. Okay, and generally at higher altitude, it's seen that density is low. So we apply this microscopic approach there. In macroscopic approach is applied whenever the density is high. When you have humongous number of molecules, there you cannot apply this microscopic approach because it will be quite cumbersome, tiresome as well. So that is why we don't apply macroscopic approach, or we don't apply microscopic approach whenever the density is high. So the macroscopic approach is applied whenever the density is high. Microscopic approach, of course, will give you exact and accurate result. Why? Because here you are dealing with each and every molecule, so that is why the perfect results will be obtained for each molecule. But here, since we are generalizing the things and taking the average, so that is why the results will not be that accurate or exact, rather it would be approximate. But more or less it would be close. Our work will be done, that will not be affected. Moreover, this microscopic approach is more time consuming, and macroscopic approach is less time consuming. So these were certain differences that were between the microscopic approach and macroscopic approach, which are generally asked in your semester exams or your objective exams. See you in the next lecture. Till then, bye.